Hello, hello, and namaste to all of you. To all the people who are celebrating this fitness week, let me wish you all the best and congratulations for participating in such a beautiful event. I have an immense pleasure in speaking few words in front of you on aerobic exercises. Aerobic exercise is an exercise which is being done in the presence of oxygen. Doing exercises continuously for more than 2 minutes is called as aerobic exercise. Any exercise which is done within hoop, clean and jerk, that is called as anaerobic exercise. So any jump, any skip, any small bout you do or any small run you do, that is called as anaerobic exercise. But when you try to perform, say walking, jogging, playing football, basketball, doing aerobic dance or any form of Zumba, all that is called as aerobic exercises. So doing exercises can help you to supply sufficient oxygen to your working muscles. So when there is a demand of oxygen and when there is an demand for the same, what happens is the fats in your body combust into energy and it starts supplying energy to your working muscles. So that is called as glycogen is being supplied from the muscles, which is being stored in the muscles. And also when there is a particular demand, liver starts producing that for your working muscles. So this is the way you need to exercise. When you exercise, you try to expel carbon dioxide and water out of it. So water comes out in a form of either sweat or urine, and that way the water is being excreted from your body and carbon dioxide is excreted through your nose. So this is how the mechanism of your respiration also takes place and the toxins are being produced out. So when you go for aerobic exercises, it develops or brings out the happy hormones, that is called as oxytocin, dopamine, serotonin and epinephrine. These are the few hormones which are being produced while you are performing your aerobic exercises and also yoga. So while performing yoga, it helps you to cope up with more of happy hormones and it releases your stress. And epinephrine is something which is released while you are exercising and it keeps you into ease and releases your pain bearing ability through epinephrine. So this is how we've tried to perform aerobic exercises, and doing aerobic exercises can keep you away from health related diseases like cardiac problem, atherosclerosis, stroke, heart attack. These are something. And then apart from that, the other health related diseases like diabetes, hypertension, then cancer, obesity, all these are something called as hypokinetic diseases and also health related diseases. If you don't exercise, you are prone to certain health disorders. So either the insulin stops secreting insulin and thus it leads to insulin failure and leads to diabetes. So we need to exercise either every day or twice or thrice a week. Thrice a week is much better if you don't have time to exercise, and try to keep yourself fit and fight against corona and keep working. If you are fit, the nation is fit. If you are fit, the family is fit. When the family is fit, the state is fit, and when the state is fit, the nation is fit. So let me congratulate you all for this participation. And it was our beloved Narendra Modi ji who had brought out this program in last year in the month of August, and today we all are celebrating the Fit India week. Okay, thank you so much and happy Fit India movement. Namaste.